Welcome to RV Road Report, your go-to channel for the ultimate RV adventures. I'm your host, RV Road Report, and today we're diving into something truly special, the Rolling Stones camper van motorhome. This vibrant red and white beauty is a rugged, long body 4x4 built for epic road trips. Priced at an incredible $80,000, it's packed with features that'll make your jaw drop. Stick with us as we explore this beast from every angle, right here in the Rolling Stones showroom. Let's hit the road. Exterior front view. Here we are at the Rolling Stones showroom, standing in front of the stunning Rolling Stones camper van motorhome. Feast your eyes on its bold red and white color scheme that screams adventure. The front grille sports the iconic Rolling Stones logo, giving it a rockstar vibe. This long body 4x4 is built tough, with rugged tires ready to tackle any terrain. The sleek design and high ground clearance make it perfect for both city cruising and off-road escapes. Let's move up top next. Topside view. Now, let's check out the top side of this camper van. Up here, you've got a slick setup for off-grid living. The roof is decked out with high-efficiency solar plates, soaking up the sun to power your adventures. There's a sturdy antenna for staying connected, whether you're streaming music or checking GPS in the wild. And check out that low-profile AC unit, keeping you cool without sacrificing aerodynamics. This van's roof is a powerhouse of practicality and style. Backside view. Moving to the back, this camper van is all about utility. Mounted securely is a full-size spare tire, ready for any unexpected bumps in the road. The cycle carrier is a game changer, with space for 2 bikes, carefully adjusted for easy loading and unloading. The rear design keeps everything streamlined, with durable latches and weatherproof storage compartments. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising highways, this setup ensures you're always prepared. Side view. Take a look at the side profile, long, rugged, and ready for action. The vibrant red and white paint pops in sunlight, but the real star here is a retractable tent. This awning extends to create a shaded outdoor living space, perfect for relaxing with coffee or hosting a campsite barbecue. It's easy to set up and tucks away neatly when you're ready to roll. This van makes outdoor living as comfortable as it gets. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment and you're in for a treat. The captain's chairs are plush and adjustable, with a modern dashboard that's driver-friendly. 2 LED screens steal the show, one for navigation and entertainment, and another dedicated to the rear view camera for a crystal clear view of what's behind you. The 4x4 controls are right at your fingertips, making off-road driving a breeze. This cockpit is built for comfort and control. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the driver's seat, you've got a cozy sitting and sleeping area. The sofa is plush and spacious, perfect for lounging with friends or family. At night, it transforms into a comfy bed with a quick pull, ideal for 2 adults. The area is lined with large windows for natural light, plus overhead storage for all your gear. Soft LED lighting adds a warm vibe, making this space your home away from home. Kitchen. Next up, the compact yet fully loaded kitchen. Nestled alongside the sitting area, it's got everything you need. A stainless steel sink, a 2-burner gas stove, and a mini fridge for keeping your drinks cold. There's a microwave for quick meals, and clever storage for utensils and pantry items. The countertop is durable and easy to clean, making meal prep a breeze, whether you're cooking for one or a crew. Washroom. Don't let the size fool you. This small washroom is a masterpiece of space efficiency. Tucked into the van, it features a compact toilet, a fold-down sink, and a shower with a handheld nozzle. There's a mirrored cabinet for storage, plus a vent fan to keep things fresh. The waterproof walls and flooring are easy to maintain, ensuring you stay clean and comfortable no matter where your travels take you. Wow, what a ride! The Rolling Stones camper van motorhome, priced at just $80,000, is a rugged red and white 4x4 dream machine. With solar power, a cozy interior, and off-road capability, it's ready for any adventure. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Could this be your next home on wheels? Drop your feedback in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to RV Road Report, and comment. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.